Hi guys, and it's me again. Welcome back to my channel.
Ginagawa mo.
Say hi. It's me, baby. What's up? So, andyan guys, kung mapapansin nyo sa likod. Ayan. So, andito ako ngayon sa U-Walk Riyadh. Pero guys, bago tayo magsimula, kailangan nyo muna i-subscribe ang aking channel. And don't forget to comment below this video and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa susunod mga vlog. So, iikutin natin ang U-Walk Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Let's be!
Hey, what's up, Bigaong Guapo Vlog?
I like me better when I'm with you.
So, ayan yung malaking letra dito sa U-Walk, which is I love Riyadh. So, iikutin natin ang buong U-Walk here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, which is, I think this is a new opening here in the new mall. I think, I don't know if it's mall or what. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, para siyang isang park. And say hi to my vlog! Ayun. Ang dalawang mga bini-bini. Magandang dilag. Maraming mga tao, which is alam ko maraming mga families dito. And so U-Walk. Edge of the world yan eh. Diba? Ayun guys. So here mapapansin nyo, marami ding mga coffee shop along this U-Walk area. Dami mga tao. And guys, malamig dito pero ang sarap sa pakiramdam kasi sobrang lamig and baka may free wifi dito.
A few moments later.
So ito guys, ito yung tinatawag na U-Walk. So U-Walk meaning you can walk a la tol.
You're gonna work.
Yeah. It's walk a la tol. You walk, you can walk a la tol guys. Daming tao sobra. Ganon. So yun guys, ito na. We are done for U-Walk Marathon. So pabalik na kami kasi wala siyang dancing kemeru. Yung tubig na sumasayaw, ganon. So more in U-Walk lang talaga siya. And pabalik na kami. So inikot lang namin yung U-Walk. So maraming taba-taba yung natanggal sa amin. So guys, maraming salamat ulit. And see you my next vlog. Paalam. Bye.